So we'll start looking at relative molecular mass under stoichiometry, and anything that is relative has got no units. So a relative molecular mass is just the total or the sum of the masses of all the elements that are found in a compound. If X, Y, Z is a compound, my relative molecular mass will be equal to the mass of X plus the mass of Y plus the mass of Z. That's all. Now this depends on the number of atoms of that element that is present there. Let's say I have this compound X2 Y3Z. Okay, this is my compound. So my relative molecular mass will be equal to 2x, 2 times the mass of X plus 3 times the mass of Y plus 1 times the mass of Z, because Z is just 1 there. Let's look at an example. Let's find the relative molecular mass of calcium carbonate. Calcium on the periodic table has got a mass of 40. Carbon has a mass of 12. Oxygen has a mass of 16. So whatever we are saying is that how many calcium atoms do we have? 1 multiplied by 1, we have 40. How many carbon atoms we have is just 1, so we are going to have 12. How many oxygens do we have? 3. This will give us 48. This will give us 100. So the relative molecular mass is equal to 100. What of for sulfuric acid? Hydrogen on the periodic table is 1. How many are they? There are 2. So we're going to have 2. Then you have sulfur. Sulfur on the periodic table is 32. How many do we have? We have 4 times 1, so we have 32. Oxygen here on the periodic table is 16. How many are they? They are 4. They should be able to give a 64 here. Okay. So when we add this 64 plus the 2 plus 2, we are having 8. Having 98. So 98 is the relative molecular mass. I'm going to give you to find for sodium hydrogen carbonate. Find the relative molecular mass of sodium hydrogen carbonate.